In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find historical stock prices on Google Finance. We're keeping this simple and beginner friendly. By the end, you'll know how to open Google Finance, search for a company, and read its past prices directly from the chart. This is useful for quick research, spotting trends over time, or double checking what a stock was trading at on a specific day. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com/finance. If you're signed into your Google account, that's great. It helps save preferences and watch lists, but it isn't required for viewing prices. Give the page a moment to load and be sure you're on Google's official finance page before moving on. Next, click the search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter either the company name or, even better, its ticker symbol. Tickers are shorter and more precise, which helps avoid pulling up a similarly named company. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear beneath the search bar. These include the company name, the ticker, and the exchange label, things like NASDAQ or NYSE, so you can be confident you're selecting the right listing. Go ahead and type a sample stock. If you know the ticker, enter that. If not, start with the company name and then look for the correct ticker and exchange in the suggestions. If multiple entries appear for the same brand, choose the one that matches the exchange and region you need and note the currency shown so you're looking at the right market. Now click the result you want. This opens the company's overview page where you'll see a price chart front and center. Give it a second to update and confirm the ticker and exchange displayed at the top match your intended selection. To view historical prices, hover your mouse directly over the chart line. As you move left and right, a tooltip will follow your cursor, showing the exact date and the corresponding price for that day or interval. Move slowly to land on specific dates. The chart will snap to each data point as you pass over it. If you're not seeing the tooltip, make sure your cursor is on the line itself and not in empty space. You can also adjust the visible time range using the options above or below the chart, short windows for recent moves, and longer windows to see years of history. This lets you quickly compare past peaks and dips or check the price on a particular date in the past. That's all there is to it. Open Google Finance, search your stock, click the listing, and hover the chart to reveal historical prices. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.